Hey, what's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new video. Before I get into this topic of the video, I do want to thank everyone. We reached 3,000 subscribers. Just want to give everybody a shout out for the support. You know, I really had no idea that I would, be where I'm at today. I wouldn't have any idea that I would even have, 1,000 subscribers. But, I really love it that you guys are giving me feedback. I really love that you guys are learning and enjoying these videos that I'm putting out for you guys. And it just means a lot to me that you guys are actually, wanting to support me and interacting with me and stuff like that. So just wanted to give you guys a huge shout out. Take the time to thank you guys for all the support. Next stop, 5,000 subscribers. If we can hit that, that'll be great. So keep supporting, keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing my videos, and I'll do the same in return. So I'm gonna have a big announcement tomorrow. I'm gonna go live tomorrow, so that'll be the 16th of August. I'll be going live for you guys, give you guys updates on the course. It's gonna be a big announcement for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Let's get into this video. So the topic of this video is I bought my first phone on Mercari. So I know about 2 weeks ago I did, share with you guys my experience with selling on Mercari. And although I was kind of skeptical, it did work out fine. I have been seeing a bunch of great deals on Mercari, and just been really cautious with committing to buy them, just because a lot of them are great deals, but the seller is a new account, so that's a red flag for me. But I actually found a good deal, on Mercari, and the story is kind of weird because it was one of those third time's a charm kind of deals, and it worked out in my favor. So basically, I was on Mercari just checking, for different deals. I do this about maybe 5 or 6 times a day just to see what's out there. And I came across a listing from a seller. This lady had over 180, feedback, 5-star rating. So I was comfortable with this. So she just listed it. It was about 2 minutes in, she listed it. While I was about to commit to buy, I checked everything before. It was iPhone X 64 gig, like new condition, unlocked for $600. So I was like, okay, that's a good deal. And I committed to buy it. And when I got to the next page, it had mentioned that the phone was sold already. So, the plus about Mercari is that, you can get some good deals, but they go fast. So I ended up messaging this lady. I went on her profile. I saw that she had a couple other phones for sale. She has sold some previous Apple Watches in the past. So I figured, maybe she is a phone flipper part-time or something, because she had a couple phones and the rest of it was like closed. So I messaged her and asked her if she had another one. She said, yeah, I actually do have one. I'm waiting for my husband to confirm that he wants to sell it. So she was just waiting for him to get back with her. So I told her, I said, hey, can you message me before you list it so I can be on the site, Mercari, just waiting, refreshing the page, and buy it. She said, okay, that's fine. So maybe about an hour or two goes by, and I'm out picking up a phone. I'm driving, so I'm not on my phone. When I get to the spot, I finally look at my phone, and she had messaged me about 10 minutes, it said 10 minutes ago. So I went on the site, checked to see if she had that phone still available, and it's sold as well. So the same exact phone, iPhone X, 64 gigabytes, unlocked, like new condition. So I was bummed out. Honestly, I was kind of mad about it, but I replied to her again. I said, hey, I see that you do sell a couple phones on here. Are you gonna get any more? Do you have access to any more? She goes, well, my daughter wants to sell hers, her iPhone X. So I said, okay, that's cool. Can you let me know again when you are about to list it so I can be on there? She said, okay, that's fine, I'll do that. So about an hour goes by, and then I get a message from her. So I immediately go on the app. It says, hey, I'm about to list it. So I give her the okay. She lists it, and I buy it. So I ended up buying the phone. I finally got it, you know, after the third time. And mind you, the phone is an iPhone X, 64 gigs, unlocked. She only had the picture of the phone on the listing, and I noticed that the same phone was on each listing. So, you know, I guess she just was lazy or whatever, didn't want to take individual pictures. But I'm going to show you guys, you know, the phone, everything went well. The phone was delivered to my house. I actually have it listed on Swapple right now, but I'm going to show you guys the phone that I received. So, here's the phone. You know, this is an iPhone X, like she mentioned. She did not mention that the phone had a box and everything, but it came in the box. And mind you, she mentioned that the phone was in like new condition, right? So I get the phone, open it up, it's packaged well, and I look and I see this. You guys can see this phone is brand new. Still has the plastic on it. She mentioned to me that her daughter had it. So I'm thinking, you know, they upgraded or whatever and kept their old phone and just, you know, wanted to sell their upgrades. So again, brand new phone, still in the box. It's just open box, you know, the seal's broken, but everything is new in here. Hopefully focus. You guys can see it's a little bright, but everything is new. She did not mention that the phone was brand new, and I kind of wondered, you know, the previous two phones that she had up for sale that I missed out on, were those like new condition or were those brand new? So it kind of worked out in my favor that I did ended up getting the third one that she had and actually bought it and all that. But yeah, $600 invested. The phone is indeed unlocked. I checked everything, gave the lady 5-star rating. Again, she had a really good rating, so I wasn't really skeptical about, you know, if she's gonna try to scam me or not. But at the end of the day, it worked out fine. So I wanted to just, you know, share my experience with you guys. And I did actually buy about 4 more phones from Mercari. So if you aren't on Mercari, you know, selling, then you should start, you know, at least trying to sell. But buying is going to be my main source for Mercari. I do check there a lot. I have a lot of free time, so I do check there a lot. The only downside is you have to be fast on there. I bought a couple phones already after this one that was delivered, so I was more confident in buying the phone, you know, because I was a bit skeptical at first, but everything worked out well. So I just wanted to give, you know, my experience with it. So if you guys are kind of skeptical about it, I was too, but you know, it all comes down to the seller and their rating. So I don't buy anything from anybody that has no rating or anybody that has an account, you know, created this particular month. So whatever the current month is, it being August, I don't buy from an account that has members since, you know, August of 2018. That's just a red flag for me. So I've just been buying from those who have ratings. That just shows me that they are legit and they actually deliver. So I did buy some extra phones. I bought a 7 Plus for $250. Verizon unlocked. I bought an iPhone 8 bad ESN T-Mobile for $150. What else did I buy? I actually have another one coming in right now, an iPhone X with a cracked back. She's saying it's unlocked, so hopefully I have to confirm that when it's delivered. But I picked it up for $350. And the cool thing about Mercari and buying, you can offer prices. So I do a lot of offering. I don't even, you know, a lot of times they are overpriced, but I think that's just some people just don't understand, you know, the price of their phone. So I do a lot of offering. And a lot of them, if you offer too low, they'll say, you know, hey, this seller wants at least this amount. So I initially lowball at first, but if the amount that they want or the least amount that they'll take is worth my time, I'll just offer that and buy the phone. So I've got some good deals like that. Just wanted to share my experience with you guys, and hopefully you guys, you know, will start buying or selling on Mercari. But this is Have been some good experiences with Mercari as far as selling and buying. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. So if you do enjoy these type of videos, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And I actually got a new microphone. So if this video is good quality as far as the audio, please let me know in the comment section. I have been kind of tweaking some settings with this new microphone. I had way too many people messaging me saying, hey, I can't hear and all that. So I don't want, I don't want that to happen. I don't want it to be hard for you guys to hear me. So again, let me know in the comments if the audio is actually really good in this particular video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.